Hey guys, let's see how to fix the camera not working on Teams. Here I have a Microsoft Teams opened, and when I come here to the system settings to check on the camera, here on devices, you see that's not working. I have here enabled the microphone for Teams, the speaker, and for video, see the camera is not showing up here. Even if I'm trying to use here the FaceTime camera, which is my MacBook camera, is not working, see? I have everything enabled here for mirror my video, but it's not working. Usually it's something related to the permission on the MacBook. So if I come here to the system settings on my MacBook, and here I can come to privacy and security and look for the device to give permission. Okay, so here I have the camera, so I can give permission to the camera. And from here, I see the applications that can use the camera. And you see that Teams is not available here for some reason, right? And if I come back here to privacy and security, let me just try something else like the microphone. And here I see Teams available. So I can enable and disable the Microsoft for Teams. I should see this Teams here in the camera as well, but it's not working for some reason, okay? If you see it there already, you just need to enable, right? Here on the camera, just enable and you're good to go. But in my case, it's not working. So what I'm gonna try to do here is just start a chat and see if it pops up on the box asking for the permission, right? So I can come here to calendar and meet now, for example, and start a meeting or do a test meeting. Let's just start a meeting here. It's connecting. Okay, you see here, Microsoft Teams would like to access the camera. I'm going to work with my camera. You see here that I have the options for camera, microphones, and everything else, right? So I can use my FaceTime camera or can not use any camera at all. It's up to me now. But that's the idea. Now I just enable to see the camera. Let me just leave the meeting here. Come back here now to my system settings on the MacBook. And again, here to privacy and security. Let me just look for it. There we go. And here again, one more time, look for camera. And now I see the Microsoft Meetings is here, right? Now I can enable, okay, and quit and reopen. So it can open on the application again. And then I'm gonna see the camera working for Microsoft Teams, right? Because now it's available here under privacy and security and camera. Let me just try again here. Open Teams one more time. Start meeting. So it's connecting. Then I can invite people. Now see that's working back there, right? All right, now it's working. I'm not gonna remove the box there because I'm just camera shy, all right? But basically it's open. You see here that I had to come to the Microsoft Teams. Let me just show you again. I just need to come here, see it, system settings and privacy and security and enable there. So that's the trick. See that I had to close the application and open it again and close and open again until it started working. But now it's working with Microsoft Teams, okay? So I hope that helps. Basically, that's the way you can fix the problem with the camera not working on Microsoft Teams. Leave your comments, subscribe to this channel, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.